Good morning. As you can tell, it is morning. Car is dewy. This is Friday morning. That's right. We got gamblers race today. I'm in 2 classes, top end mod. Then that's all we're doing today is gamblers. Then tomorrow we are doing team finals, and I heard we moved up the schedule. They moved up the schedule to starting at 8 o'clock. Got rain coming in the area tomorrow, so they're trying to get it done as soon as possible. So this morning I'm gonna get some breakfast out there on the grill, and they go ahead and get the dew off the car here. So make sure we're ready to go this morning. So temperature wise, supposed to be in the 80s. Right now it's about 60 out here. 63 I think is what we're showing. So let's go ahead and get this day started. Okay, we're doing first round of qualifying for mod. You got different names up here, top and mod. Anyway, in the mod, I'm doing both classes, but first round mod time trial coming up. So see what happens, and after that we'll go back to top, do qualifying for that. Then we have a reaction time contest. Pay $10 and you get the best reaction wins, I guess. But it's another time trial for both classes. So basically we'll get 4 time trials, then we go to eliminations. So I'm going to try out each lane, see how that goes. So here we go. Hey guys, that's second to top. Not that good of light, 41. So we're going to make a change on the delay box a little bit. See if we can get that reaction a little bit better. So give me something to start with. So it's only my second pass ever down the track here at top. So anyway, take some delay out of it and get ready to go our second pass here a little bit. So next is up mod. So back to foot brake. Okay, round 1 coming up. We got a 669 on it, racing against a quicker car, 636. So let's go ahead and see if we can get the wind light turned on. Here we go. On my rib, I have not gave any updates over the weekend. It is still sore. I've been wearing a kind of neoprene wrap on it just so I can get in and out of the car, and it is still sore, especially on launch. When you launch it, it puts the pressure back on the rib, and it does somewhat move around a little bit. Unknown to me, but anyway. So we are getting by. I am taking painkillers, well actually ibuprofen stuff, just to help numb the pain a little bit. So anyway, on to round 2. Here we come. Okay, we got round 2 coming up for no box. So got a 669 on it. So we'll go from there. drop test these, hang on. Shit, my box won't go reset my second ball. It's screwed up. Okay, sorry. Yeah. Do what? I didn't know. I thought you were fixed. Yeah. So did someone tell you just go ahead and go then, or? They told me to go ahead and go. Oh God. And then they put my dial on, took yours off, and I was like, okay. So I was going to convert, and I was like, oh. Oh, I'm so sorry. It's not your problem at all. Yeah, I said I told my dad. I said, give me just 1 minute. I just need to reset the box. The box never got reset, and I said, hell with it. I'll just foot brake the damn thing. I didn't even know. Yeah. I never saw you. Yeah, they said, just go. I went, okay, here we go. This is going to be fun. Well, good job. Sorry about that. Okay, good deal. Good luck. Ah, shit. Enter.
Back home, everybody waiting around if needed. Remember, it's okay to lose, because sometimes the other guy just needed to win.
Whoa, good morning. Oh my goodness. Saturday morning here, Eddyville. Oh, camera's weird. As you see, it's cloudy. I think the temperature today is supposed to be 64, 65. That's what it is now. Anyway, good chance of rain today. Not too sure how much we're going to get this in, but I'm going to go ahead and try to do our best today. Third round. Finished yesterday, both classes. Oh, no dew on the car this morning. Anyway, let's get the car warmed up, get a hat on, because I imagine my hair is all over the freaking place. So, oh well, here we go. Okay, go ahead. Do it one more time. Do it again. Okay. Okay, I left my video running over there, what you saw, what we had to do, and I showed a video of it. We were leaking out of that fuel log, okay? It's not a good thing. That was just by luck this morning. When I started up this morning, the throttle was actually stuck. So I opened the hood up, took it off, unstuck the throttle, no biggie. But when I went back around, I seen fuel actually leaking from the bottom over by this balancer. And I traced it all the way back up to here. So we had to yank the carburetor back off, fix that fuel log. I don't know if you can tell, but these guys have O-rings actually screwed into this block here. This one back here, I can actually see the O-ring out of it. So I guess I just didn't get it tight. We've been lucky all this time. But I actually turned that one back there almost a full turn. Not quite, but it's enough to let that fuel come on out. It's kind of scary. But anyway, got it fixed. It's an easy fix. So next we're going to do a round of qualifying, then we go right into eliminations. So cross my fingers this works. Oh, there we go. Okay, this is round 1 of the team event. So I'm in lane 6 all day today. So this is round 1 of no box or mod, how do you call it, and stuff like that. I got a 664 on it. I ran a 661 this morning, then a 664 in top. So not sure exactly what it's going to do. I'll put a 64 on it. We'll go with that and see how it goes. So anyway. Suck. Just tell Ken suck. No, I suck. Okay, lane, yeah. First round of box, I suck. Little light just was not there. I don't know, just missed the light altogether. So anyway, we're ready to go up there for top. Hopefully hit the tree a little better. We'll see. So on qualifying, I was like 10 red. But I think I was really early on the bulb, so I think I'm not going to put any delay in the box. I think we'll just leave right where it's at. I don't know if that's a good move or not. But anyway, here we go. Okay, it's round 2 at top. Got a 664 on it. I think the car I got is low 6s. So should be a good race. Just make sure I hit the tree this time. Okay, top class, round 2, we got that one. I think I had a 10 light to his 48, 49. You'll see in the video what happened. I did 3 womps on it, should have 2. Tightened up way too tight. It was like 0047 at the stripe. So I'm going to do a quick calculation and see how close it was close to my dial. Okay, be round 3. Got a really fast dragster. So 64 is what I have on it. Guys, that was 3rd round on top. I guess you've seen the car. 003 at the light. He had a great light, 008. I had like a little, I had a worse light, 027. I saw him coming up and I went, you know, I'm going to try and make this car longer. So I jabbed it right at the end to bring this front end down to make it speed up a little bit. And it did make it speed up. It was only on a 666 Pash. I had a 664 on it, but the number showed me it was going to run a 666 on it. So by me jabbing the front end made that get me there to the line quicker. So, but yeah, wasn't meant to be today, but we got 3rd round on tops. Not bad. Wow. Guys, it's raining here at the track. We just got completed the 3rd round of top. At least I did. I don't know if I got fully done yet. I don't think they did. But it is definitely raining. Woo! 8:30. Holy fright.
We got her hot in here.
Yeah, we did. It's 8:30 here in Eddyville. We are getting out of here. It's Sunday morning. We slept, rained. We out in the third round, but we had a good time. So anyway, hopefully the trip will be uneventful. Just need to boogie on down the road and get home. So anyway, with that, man, if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button and hit that like button, you know. Sure do appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed the video. So until next time, bye.